So to put your browser into private mode, you want to go to your dock and then open Safari, or go to apps and then open Safari. You just click on it and then it will open. This is the easiest way to open it. And then to put it into private mode, you want to go to the menu bar where you see Apple, Safari, and then File. Then I want you to click on File, and then you're going to click on New Private Window. A shortcut that you can also use on your keyboard is to just press Command Shift and then N, and then it will open a new browser, which is a private browser, which is a shortcut. And if you want to go back to the normal browser, you can just go to your keyboard and click on Command N, and then a new one will come. You can close all these tabs and then still also just use the menu over here on the menu bar. Click on File, open New Window, and then it will open. Then you can go ahead and then you search for what you want to search for. So then now you can start browsing in privacy mode. As you can see, it will show you, it will be gray to show you that you're in privacy mode. Then you can start searching, surfing, or buying whatever that you want to. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips just like this.